Welcome to Becoming. This isn't a channel about having life all figured out. It's about becoming the person you're meant to be, one day, one lesson, and one conversation at a time. Have you ever looked around and felt like everyone else has figured life out, except you? Like everyone is buying homes, getting promotions, getting married, building businesses, while you're sitting there wondering if you made all the wrong decisions. If that's you, I want you to stay with me for a few minutes. Because this conversation isn't about becoming successful overnight. It's about becoming. And maybe that's exactly where the magic begins. Welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Think of this channel as a safe corner of the internet. No pretending, no pressure. Just honest conversations about life, growth, healing, purpose, and becoming the person you're meant to be. If you're rebuilding your life, chasing a dream, healing from disappointment, or simply trying to figure things out, you're home. Somewhere along the way, we started believing life was a race. Graduate by this age, get married by this age, own a home by this age, have everything figured out by this age. But nobody tells us what to do when life doesn't follow that timeline. Nobody talks about losing opportunities, starting over, changing careers, outgrowing friendships, watching plans fall apart, or waking up one day realizing you're becoming someone completely different. And honestly, that's okay, because becoming isn't about arriving, it's about growing. A tree doesn't become strong in one season, it grows through storms, through drought, through days when nothing seems to be happening. Yet beneath the surface, the roots are getting stronger. Maybe that's where you are right now, growing roots that nobody can see. One day you'll look back and realize that what felt like your biggest setback was actually preparing you for your greatest chapter. The hardest seasons often teach us the lessons success never could. They teach patience, resilience, faith, and the courage to begin again. If you're starting over today, I want you to hear this. You are not behind. You are not late. You haven't failed. You're simply becoming. Your journey doesn't have to look like anyone else's. Life isn't a competition. It's a personal story. And every chapter, even the painful ones, has a purpose. Maybe today your only job is to take one small step, read one page, apply for one opportunity, pray one prayer, take one walk, drink more water, rest. Whatever that step is, take it. Small steps change lives. Before you leave, I want you to answer one question. What are you becoming? Not what are you achieving? Not what are you chasing? Who are you becoming? Leave your answer in the comments. I genuinely love to read it. And if this conversation made you feel a little less alone, consider subscribing. Every week we'll have honest conversations about growth, purpose, healing, self-improvement, faith, mindset, and building a life that feels true to you. Until next time. Keep becoming. One day, you'll thank yourself for not giving up.